Hi there, teachers. It's time to play some baseball. If your class has a test or a quiz coming up, or you simply need to just review some content, try out this fun baseball game with your students. If your students are competitive and love to play a game, this will definitely work well. This template can be used to review any content for any grade level. As a teacher, all you have to do is just insert the questions and answers that you want to review with your students. The game is made on Google Slides and allows you to insert up to 72 questions. Although if you wanted to do something smaller, such as 15 or 20 questions, you can definitely do that too. Let's take a look at how the game works. The slides that you see here on the screen are where you'll put your question and answers. You'll need to take a little bit of time to set that up. And once you have done that, the rest of the game is all set up for you and ready to go. When you're ready to play, you can split your class into teams or you can have them work together. When you're ready to play the game, enter slideshow mode on Google Slides and begin on the first inning page that you see here. This game allows you to play 9 innings. However, that would mean that you would be using 72 questions. So if you only want to play 2 or 3 innings with your students, that's totally fine too. To begin the game, the first team will take their turn. As the teacher, you can click on any of the questions on the screen, or if you just want to go in numerical order, you can do that too. Click on the question number that you want to see, and up on the screen will come the first question. How students give their answer is completely up to you. If you want students to write it on paper, or come up and write it on the board, or they can just simply raise their hand and say it out loud, you can decide what works best for your class. When you're ready to reveal the answer, keep clicking on the screen and the correct answer will show. If students answered correctly, you can click on the green box on the bottom, and now that team gets to take a swing. The team must decide which colored baseball they want to click on. So for example, if they chose to see the orange baseball, this result would give them a double. On the board, you can keep track of where the runners are located on the base paths. Or if you have the space available in your classroom, sometimes it's more fun to actually arrange your classroom seats in the formation of a baseball diamond. So for example, if a student hits a single, they would move up 1 seat. And if they hit a double, they would move up 2 seats. This could be used as a good way to get your class moving. Once again, totally up to you. When you are ready to move on, click the arrow on the bottom of the screen and this will take you back to the question page. From this point on, the game continues with the next team taking their turn and repeating the same process. After you have finished all 8 questions, you can click the bottom of the screen to move on to the next inning, and this will take you to the second inning question page. And don't worry, for each inning, all the different colored baseballs have different results to them. Make sure to keep track of the score as the game progresses. Your students will have a great time reviewing all the content they need to know. Add this baseball game to your lessons, and your students will be engaged in their learning. I wish you and your students all the best.